0 divided by any non-zero number is equal to 0. Any non-zero number divided by 0 is undefined. Can you explain why? So here you can we are going to use two basic mathematical concepts to explain why a number or any non-zero number divided by 0 is undefined. So let's have this one. So the first one is using the concept of division as repeated subtraction. Take note that multiplication and division are opposite operations. So multiplication can be done using repeated addition. So also, since division is opposite of multiplication, we can also do division using repeated subtraction. So for example, you have 15 divided by 5 equals blank. So to find the answer, to find the quotient, we are going to do repeated subtraction of the divisor 5 from the dividend 15. So until we get 0 or a number that is less than the divisor. So we have 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So here, we got 0. So we do repeated subtraction for 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So the quotient is 3. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Another one, like for example, you have 20. Okay. 20 divided by, let's say, 6 equals blank. So again, using repeated subtraction of the divisor from the dividend, 20 minus 6 is equal to 14. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. And now 2 is smaller than 6. So we cannot subtract 6 from 2 anymore. So we'll stop there. So count how many times we subtracted 6 from 20. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. And then there is a remainder of 2. So that is 3 remainder 2. So now let us relate it with dividing with zeros. So for example, you have 0 divided by 4. So how many times are we going to subtract the divisor 4 from the dividend 0 until we reach 0? So our dividend is already 0, so we don't need to subtract anymore. So nothing, so 0. So 0 divided by 4 is 0. So that's why 0 divided by any non-zero number is equal to 0. How about dividing by 0? So for example, you have 4 divided by 0 equals blank. So let us subtract the divisor 0 from the dividend 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. So no, regardless of how many times you subtract the divisor 0 from 4, it will always be 4. So that's why it is undefined. Because it will never be 0. Okay. So 4 divided by 0 is undefined. Same goes with 5 divided by 0. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. It will always be equal to 5. So no matter how many times you subtract 0 from 5, that will always be 5. So that's why any number or any non-zero number divided by 0 is undefined. So that is the first mathematical concept that you can use to explain it. The second one is using the division facts or related division and multiplication facts. So, for example, you have 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. So, using the equation 63 divided by 7 equals 9. Take note, 63 is the dividend. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. The 7 is the divisor. And the answer in the division is called the quotient. So, if you are going to multiply the quotient and the divisor, you will be getting the dividend. So, we have 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. So when you multiply the quotient 9 by the divisor 7, that must be able to, you should be able to form a true statement. So 9 times 7 is equal to 63. That is correct. Another one, 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. So 9 times 5 is equal to 45. True statement. How about dividing 0? For example, 0 divided by 9 is equal to 0. So multiply the quotient and the divisor. The result must be the dividend. So 0 times 9 is equal to 0. True statement. Another one. 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. So 0 times 5 is equal to 0. So true statement also. Now, what if the divisor is 0? For example, 9 divided by 0. Let us assume that it is equal to 0. So, 9 divided by 0 is equal to 0. So, if you are going to multiply the quotient and the divisor, so 0 times 0 is equal to 9. Is it a true statement? No, it is a false statement. So, that's why uh, uh, any non-zero divided by 0 is not equal to 0, but instead, it is undefined. So, that's why any non-zero divided by 0 is undefined. Another example, again, we will assume that the answer must be 0. So, let's have 5 divided by 0 is equal to 0. So, quotient times the divisor, 0 times 0. Oh, so 0 times 0 must be equal to 5. So, it is a false statement. So, therefore, 5 divided by 0 is not 0 but undefined. Yeah, that's it. That's the reason behind any non-zero number divided by 0 is undefined. So again, there are two concepts you can use to explain. You can use the concept of repeated subtraction or relating division and multiplication facts. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.